Here's how you can make money with Medium, even if you're starting from zero. First, join the Medium Partner Program. This lets you earn money when Medium members spend time reading your articles. The longer people read, the more you can earn. Next, focus on writing valuable content. Topics like productivity, personal finance, tech, and self-improvement tend to perform well because people actively search for them. Consistency is key. Try publishing 2 to 3 articles per week. The more quality content you have, the more chances you have to get reads and followers. Another strategy is writing for popular Medium publications. Publications already have large audiences, which can help your articles reach thousands of readers quickly. You can also repurpose content. Turn YouTube scripts, blog posts, or Twitter threads into Medium articles to save time. Finally, add ways to earn beyond Medium. Include links to your newsletter, digital products, or affiliate offers inside your articles. If you stay consistent and focus on helpful content, Medium can become a real source of online income.